The first is the core principle of the First Amendment, so eloquently expressed by Supreme Court Justice Robert H. Jackson in 1943. If there is any fixed star in our constitutional constellation, it is that no official, high or petty, can prescribe what shall be orthodox in politics, nationalism, religion, or other matters of opinion, or force citizens to confess by word or act their faith therein. And to repeat, no official can dictate what Americans can say, think, or believe. The First Amendment constrains the government from interfering with freedom of speech. That includes the president, members of Congress, state officials, US attorneys, special government employees. The First Amendment does not constrain non governmental actors from making their own choices about what to say, what to hear, what to promote. Indeed, it does the opposite. It protects what Justice Kavanaugh has called the robust sphere of individual liberty, the right of private actors, including private universities, NGOs, businesses, to ignore, to criticize, refuse to associate with speech they don't agree with or think is wrong. The government also has its own rights of free speech, including the right to prefer certain viewpoints. It's allowed to communicate those preferences through persuasion, encouragement, and even funding. The government can encourage military enlistment without promoting criticism of the military. It can fund organizations that promote childbirth without also funding organizations that promote abortion. What the government cannot do is compel private actors to think or to speak a certain way using coercion or threats. When government actors speak on their own behalf, that is not censorship. When government actors promote their own viewpoints, including through persuasion and funding, this is not censorship. When non-government actors ignore, remove, criticize speech, or encourage others to do the same, not censorship. But when the government purges books, words, concepts that it doesn't like, that is censorship. When the government threatens people with the loss of employment, lawsuits, violence, jail, or deportation for their speech, that is censorship. When it seeks to force universities, law firms, or businesses to adopt the government's viewpoint, or when it seeks to punish judges, lawmakers, journalists, religious leaders, teachers, or students for dissent or for criticism of the government, that is censorship.